An elderly physician once shared with me, "Are you aware of the physiological effects of adding a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water?" He emphasized that our forebears relied on natural, uncomplicated solutions to address everyday health challenges. If you perceive baking soda solely as a culinary or cleaning agent, you are about to uncover its concealed potential. However, there is a crucial detail you must be cognizant of to fully maximize the benefits of this natural substance. Please remain attentive until the conclusion of the video to reveal the optimal methodology for utilizing baking soda for optimal outcomes. Individuals who have incorporated baking soda water into their daily routines often express profound appreciation for its benefits. While you may commonly associate it only with baking or deodorizing, its true efficacy lies in its interaction with the body's chemical composition. As we age, various physiological changes occur, such as muscle tightness, joint stiffness, and digestive difficulties. A simple glass of baking soda water may help restore balance in these areas. If you have not yet experienced its potential, this is an opportune moment to explore its benefits for yourself. The underlying mechanism of baking soda's efficacy lies in its alkaline nature, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate. Upon dissolution in water, it can influence the body's pH levels. As individuals age, occasional fluctuations in acidity may trigger discomfort, ranging from persistent heartburn to abrupt energy dips. When utilized appropriately and in moderation, baking soda neutralizes specific acids and provides a sense of stability. One of the most prevalent reasons older adults resort to baking soda water is to alleviate heartburn. The burning sensation in the chest can disrupt daily activities and sleep, often caused by excessive stomach acid. By introducing a mild, alkaline solution into the stomach, baking soda can restore balance and mitigate flare-ups. Consuming half a teaspoon in a glass of water effectively eases the intense sensation, offering a gentle alternative to stronger medications. Baking soda water may help manage muscle tension. Muscles become less resilient over time. An alkaline beverage can help balance lactic acid accumulation. Many report subtle improvements in muscle recovery. Kidney health becomes increasingly crucial as the kidneys filter waste and toxins from the bloodstream. When acid levels surge, these organs endure additional pressure. Baking soda may support kidney function by neutralizing some of this acid load. Some professionals suggest a mild alkalizing approach may discourage kidney stone formation. However, individuals with chronic kidney issues should consult a healthcare professional first. Elderly individuals concerned about maintaining energy levels often inquire about the benefits of baking soda water. While it is not an energy drink, an overly acidic state may contribute to fatigue. Alkaline solutions can enhance cellular function, but baking soda water should be part of a comprehensive approach that includes a nutritious diet and regular physical activity. Together, these elements may improve alertness and overall performance of daily tasks. Hydration is another essential aspect of overall well-being, and baking soda water can serve as a gentle reminder to increase fluid intake. Mild dehydration can exacerbate fatigue, joint discomfort, and digestive issues. By incorporating a small amount of baking soda into water, you may be more inclined to sip regularly, especially on warm days or after physical activity. Some elderly individuals are curious about the impact of baking soda water on body weight management. Proper hydration and an improved acid-alkaline balance may enhance nutrient digestion. Combined with sensible dietary choices and gentle exercise, baking soda water can be part of a balanced approach to weight-conscious living. When acid levels in the mouth rise, tooth enamel and gums can suffer over time. Baking soda, renowned for its mild abrasive properties, is incorporated into some toothpastes and mouthwashes. Drinking a glass of baking soda may help reduce oral acidity, though it is not a substitute for proper dental hygiene. As we age, our skin can become more delicate, with dryness or irritation emerging as common concerns. Baking soda is occasionally employed as a soothing agent for minor skin irritations due to its alkaline nature, and maintaining balanced internal pH levels may complement your skincare routine. Another unexpected benefit of baking soda is its role in buffering lactic acid during physical activities. Seniors engaging in light exercise often mention that consuming a mild baking soda solution beforehand alleviates post-activity fatigue. Even small improvements in energy can make daily activities easier. Digestive well-being is a significant concern for seniors, as indigestion, bloating, and occasional constipation can become more prevalent with age. Baking soda water can help neutralize excess stomach acid, alleviating discomfort after heavy or spicy meals. However, due to its sodium content, it should not be used excessively. It is crucial to acknowledge that baking soda is high in sodium. Even if its taste is subdued in water, the body still registers the sodium intake. Those with hypertension or on a low-sodium diet should carefully evaluate whether incorporating baking soda is appropriate for their health. Older adults often manage multiple prescriptions, and because baking soda affects acidity, it may alter medication absorption. Consult your doctor or pharmacist to clarify any uncertainties and determine the optimal schedule for both your medications and baking soda beverage. Many elderly individuals are drawn to home remedies from earlier generations due to their simplicity and reliance on readily available ingredients. There is comfort in knowing that grandparents or great-grandparents used ordinary substances like baking soda to manage minor aches, digestive disturbances, or skin irritations. Regarding frequency, most sources recommend starting with half a teaspoon in a glass of room-temperature water, sipped gradually. Some choose to use it once or twice weekly, while others use it only when experiencing heartburn. The key is to observe how your body responds and adjust accordingly. The reasons behind the limited recognition of baking soda's potential by some medical professionals are multifaceted. Modern medicine encompasses many tools, and not all professionals are convinced by the existing research on baking soda's benefits. Some may recommend it if they perceive it as helpful for your specific condition, while others may favor prescription options. Ultimately, you have choices and may explore a safe, cost-effective remedy under proper guidance. As we enter our golden years, the pursuit of natural methods for maintaining health becomes increasingly paramount. Baking soda water aligns with this philosophy, providing a sense of equilibrium and relief when used judiciously. True wellness often derives from consistent, straightforward steps. Given baking soda's accessibility, some may be tempted to overuse it. Excessive consumption can disrupt the body's acid-base balance, leading to metabolic alkalosis, nausea, or more severe complications. Individuals with heart, kidney, or blood pressure conditions should consult a medical professional. Dosage and frequency can be adjusted based on professional guidance. An intriguing possibility exists that baking soda may assist in managing certain chronic inflammatory conditions by creating a less acidic internal environment, potentially alleviating immune system strain. This approach may contribute to an overall improved outlook on daily life. For those who enjoy a relaxing bath, incorporating a small amount of baking soda into warm water can enhance muscle relaxation and soothe irritated skin. This complements its internal benefits, especially for older adults with joint stiffness. It is important to emphasize that baking soda water should not replace professional medical advice or treatment for serious conditions. If chronic heartburn or other persistent symptoms occur, seek guidance from a healthcare professional. There is no universally accepted schedule for consuming baking soda water. Some prefer taking it in the morning, believing it sets a positive tone for the day. Experiment responsibly and listen to your body's signals to determine what works best for you. Dietary habits significantly influence the impact of baking soda water. Those who consume a diet high in processed foods may need a more comprehensive approach. Combining baking soda with whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables can enhance its benefits. Stress can disrupt internal pH levels and exacerbate symptoms like heartburn. Baking soda water may help, but comprehensive stress management is key. For seniors experiencing occasional acid reflux, a small daily dose of baking soda water may help. Some individuals report improved sleep quality, leading to better digestion and fewer reflux episodes. Baking soda's role in immune support is linked to its impact on the body's internal environment. An overly acidic system may hinder optimal immune function, so incorporating baking soda water might help the body operate at its best, though it is not a cure-all. Many older individuals have reported that baking soda water aids in making healthier beverage choices by reducing cravings for sugary drinks. Adopting this small ritual can promote improved hydration and stable energy throughout the day. As with most natural remedies, the effectiveness of baking soda water varies among individuals. Some may notice immediate improvements in digestion and energy, while others might require several weeks to discern its impact. Patience and observation are essential. If no positive changes occur, or if adverse symptoms manifest, seek professional guidance. Historically, baking soda has been a versatile component in numerous household remedies, from insect bite relief to surface freshening. Start with the smallest recommended dosage and increase gradually only if beneficial and safe. Some individuals find that adding a squeeze of lemon to their baking soda water improves its taste and may enhance its alkalizing effect despite lemons being acidic. Experimenting with flavors can make the habit more enjoyable and sustainable. Optimal results often arise when baking soda water is integrated into a holistic health routine. Regular walks or gentle yoga, breathing exercises, and a balanced diet all support optimal bodily function. Baking soda water can seamlessly become a part of this routine. Each individual's body chemistry is unique, so while baking soda water generally has fewer side effects, it should be treated with respect. Being aware of your own needs empowers you. At this juncture, you may wonder about the appropriate age to begin this practice. Generally, individuals in good health can explore baking soda water at any stage, although it tends to attract those over 50 when minor irritations become more pronounced. There are even testimonials from individuals in their 80s or 90s who advocate for regular baking soda water consumption, attributing it to comfortable digestion and stable energy levels. While personal anecdotes do not replace medical research, they offer inspiration for incorporating modest choices into your routine. Although baking soda water may not be as flavorful as soda or sparkling beverages, its inclusion in your diet can provide a refreshing change and encourage mindful drinking habits. Sipping slowly allows you to notice immediate bodily responses, such as relief in the stomach. If you experience discomfort, that could be attributed to excessive alkalinity. such as tingling in the extremities or confusion, pause your intake and assess your usage. Consulting a healthcare professional for evaluation is always beneficial. Throughout history, various cultures have embraced alkalizing remedies. Families have long kept baking soda on hand for everything from treating upset stomachs to harmonizing with the body's natural processes. The transformative potential of baking soda water may not be immediately dramatic, but incremental enhancements, such as improved digestion, reduced muscle soreness, and increased energy, can accumulate over time, contributing to a genuine sense of well-being. If this simple habit resonates with you, consider incorporating it into your routine and share this information with your friends and loved ones. Don't hesitate to subscribe